Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Palermo Red Fig. Palermo Red Fig has a red exterior like a lot of the other Mount Etna type figs that we've seen earlier in this season. But it's definitely different because if we look at the bottom here, it still has a hint of green down here, which we just don't see on the Mount Etna type figs. The Mount Etna type figs will go kind of all go to a really dark color all at once. It's also kind of more round in shape. You can see these others here that are getting closer to ripening. They're just not the oval shape that or the teardrop shape that I would see on some of the other Mount Etna types. We've got a lot of other figs to look at today, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this, and then we'll go give it a taste. Hopefully, it feels like it's close to ripe, but you never know until you pick it and cut it open. Okay, let me use my handy steak knife for the fig, and let's open it up here. Oh, and that looks good. Not totally ripe, but it's here late in the season. It's sometimes very difficult to get them to push to full ripeness when the heat it just isn't there like it is before. Okay, let's go ahead and take a little taste here. Tastes great. Tastes great. Again, like I mentioned before, some of our later ripening figs, the pulp won't reach the exterior skin because it's not fully ripe, but it's hard for us to get that because we just don't have the heat and the sun it needs in October in order to ripen up here in our cool place up here in the Pacific Northwest. This is Palermo Red Fig. It's a little later ripening, red on the exterior, but kind of a much brighter red interior than some of the Mount Etna types we've had. And quite honestly, it's a little bigger and more of a round shape.